Hey guys, what's up? I'm gonna do a little day in the life. Today I have a couple things I gotta do and I just wanted to share my day with you. I might film tomorrow as well, but today I'm gonna go get my hair trimmed. Guys, my hair is so long, like so long. Look at how long it is. It is literally down in my butt, basically. I have not got my hair done since before the pandemic. It is insane. I know that's crazy and so unhealthy of me to not trim my hair. So I'm gonna go get my hair trimmed and maybe get a couple inches off, get it layered. I kind of want like a V, like a long V layering. I don't know what it's called. But anyways, I'm gonna get my hair done and then I'm gonna run to Target, grab a couple of things, and I'm also gonna share my summer FabFitFun box with you. So if that sounds fun, stick around and let's hang out today. I just got to Target, so I'm gonna head in and I'm gonna look for like some shirts and a couple other things. My daughter needs a bathing suit. Also, if you guys like these sunglasses, which I think are so much fun, they're like cat-eyed or cat eye rose gold sunglasses. I love them. They are linked down below and there's also a code for a percentage off. So just letting you know about that. And let's head into Target.
Time we met face to face, kiss on my neck. How could I forget something that hasn't happened yet? I'm wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time. I know I'm impatient, but baby, give me a chance. We'll do whatever you say. I can't afford to cry any more tears. You turn into all my fears. I want you here with me. I want you here with me. I remember the first time I heard your voice.
All right, guys. So I just got out of Target and oh my gosh, like I was looking for clothes for myself and at least the style in Target is just like so not my style right now. Crop tops and then like this like baggy style, like I don't mind the baggy style, but you have to get the right size so it looks right. So anyways, I tried on a couple dresses and a shirt and it was just not the play. So anyways, I got my daughter a bathing suit. I got her some like mini Fujifilm for her little like instant camera. Those are so fun. And then I got some simple face wipes because we're gonna be going on a little vacation to Maryland, to Easton, Maryland, where there's like, we're gonna be staying in a little house on the water. And I'm really excited. I needed some makeup wipes. So I grabbed those and yep, that's about all I got. Oh, and I got them some Honest body wash. So that's what I got at Target. Now I'm gonna go home, eat some lunch, and then head out to my hair appointment.
I remember the first time we met face to face, kiss on my neck. How could I forget something that hasn't happened yet? I'm wasting my time, losing my mind over all this wasted time.
Hey guys, so it is the next day. I actually stopped filming yesterday after I got my haircut. My haircut, guys, it did not go well. I asked the lady to do, like, I went to a new place, which is really just sketchy to do. And I asked her to do long layers that went into like a V shape when my hair is down, like down my back. She cut my hair so choppy, like, can you see that? I didn't really realize until I was out of the salon how crazy it looked. But she like chopped my hair to the point where it just looks really choppy and really bad. And this place had really good reviews. I didn't just go to a random place. Anyways, guys, my hair, I'm gonna have to go get it fixed somewhere, but it's still pretty long, so they could probably do something with it somewhere else. Anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys today. I was gonna share my FabFitFun with you, and yesterday just kind of like time ran out. So I wanted to show you guys my summer FabFitFun box. I'm just gonna do a little unboxing on the floor and show you everything I got. The codes will be down below if you want to sign up for FabFitFun. This is not a sponsored video. This is just a subscription box that I love, and I love to share it with you guys. So let's do it. Let's unbox my summer FabFitFun. Okay guys, so this is what the box looks like this year for the summer 2022 FabFitFun box. It is so pretty. I love the purple with the popsicles. So let's just get into this, guys. I'm so excited. And then inside it has like the little sprinkles. Ooh, fun. I'm really excited about this. These are the stickers. They come with every FabFitFun box just for fun. Just a little something extra. And I love stickers so much. If you guys have seen me unbox my other FabFitFuns, I'm always talking about how much I love to have the stickers. I've always loved stickers. So excited to have those, and those are so cute. Little summery watermelons, beach balls, and popsicles, fun things like that. We got some coupons. This is $15 off your first FabFitFun. I will put this code down below, and if you guys want to use it, first come, first serve, whoever wants to use that. And this subscription box, by the way, is $54.99 per season, which is 4 times a year: summer, fall, winter, and spring. Or you can do an annual membership for all 4 boxes for $199, saving $20. So it's a pretty good deal, and you get so much for your money. And then here is the FabFitFun magazine. This is always fun to look through. They always have like how to use each product and tips and tricks. They also have recipes, so I always enjoy looking through that. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the first thing, which is the Free People Rose Blush Bralette. And I got the size large. I do large, extra large, because I just went by the size chart, and I think I'm like a 36D. So I got the large, but I'm really looking forward to this. This looks really nice. So this looks like really stretchy, nice material that's gonna be really cozy to just have around, you know, just to wear around the house. I'm not gonna be wearing it like all over the place, but definitely doesn't have any padding or anything like that. It's just a nice little like lounge bra, and I'm really looking forward to it. I've never had anything by Free People. It's such an expensive brand, but I'm really looking forward to having a little piece. So how fun. And then let's grab out this. This is the KO Body Scrubber. Let's see if we can open this up. This was like a freebie. Like they threw this in extra on social media. They said if we get this many likes, then we'll throw in a freebie. So this is the freebie. This is like a little body scrubber. This is gonna be really great for like when I do tanning at home. For the exfoliation part, I like to scrub my skin really good. This feels like it's gonna be perfect for that, to do that. I also heard somebody say they could use it for like cleaning their makeup brushes if you don't wanna use it in the shower for like a body scrubber. So I'm really looking forward to using this out, and I'm thankful that they threw that in there. That was really nice of them. And we got some more coupons thrown in here. This is for Daily Harvest and for another wine club. Okay, so, oh, there's another little freebie here. This is called Liquid IV, hydrates faster than water alone. This is like a little IV packet in the flavor guava. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. I heard someone else say they really enjoy this, and it's like, I don't know, it just amps up your water intake. Add to 16 ounces of water. It's an electrolyte drink mix. So hey, I could always use that, especially in summertime. Okay, and then the next thing is the Whey Scalp and Body Scrub. I forgot I got this. I am so excited because, like I said, when I do like my little self tanning routine, then the exfoliation is always really crucial. So I'm gonna use that for this, and I want to see what this smells like really quick. So this smells really good. I'm smelling the cap right now, but that smells really like spa-like. It's not overpowering. It definitely smells like something I've smelled before. I can't put my finger on it. Maybe something from Bath and Body Works, but definitely looking forward to trying this out. This is my add-on. When you do FabFitFun, you can add on little products for a really good price. It's like a little rose hydrating facial mist. I love facial mists. I am looking forward to this. It's very small. I didn't know it was gonna be this small, but it might be like really packed. You might not need a lot. So I'm gonna open it up and see. But it's just a little facial spray, and that'll be really nice for like putting over makeup, to set your makeup, and I'm just looking forward to it. I love facial sprays. And then let's pick out something else. Oh yes, this is so exciting. I was most excited, honestly, about this product, and then one more product I'll show you. But this is the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 30 for UVA and UVB protection. And I needed a new sunscreen, so it came perfectly in time. So I'm gonna get lots of use out of this. And plus I just use sunscreen every single day on my face because the sun really is so damaging. I love Tula, one of my favorite like skincare brands, and I've gotten a couple of their products through FabFitFun. That's what I love about FabFitFun, because you get really high-end things for such a small amount of money. They had the option to get Tula, the cult classic purifying face cleanser, and I've had this before, so I'm really looking forward to having this again. I remember it really getting my makeup off and doing a really nice cleanse, but not feeling like overly dry. So really excited about this product as well. I got the Indie Lee CoQ10 toner with aloe and hyaluronic acid. This is such a big size. Okay, so honestly, I was thinking that this little guy was gonna be like this big. Oh my gosh. But anyways, you never know sometimes. I should have paid more attention to the ounces, but this is so exciting because I have wanted to try out the Indie Lee brand before, but it's really pricey. So it's perfect because FabFitFun, you get to try out the high-end products. So this is a toner facial spray that's supposed to hydrate, and I'm definitely gonna be using this all summer. It's gonna be so perfect. And then, oh, another fun thing, I'm really excited about this. This is the Grace and Stella If Eyes Could Smile Eye Moisturizing Eye Cream. This is adorable packaging. This is so cute. It's very small, but like all eye creams, they're really so small. And this is If Eyes Could Smile. It's such a cute little packaging. I love it. It's adorable. The little baby pink with the little cute little face on there. So looking forward to that. Can't wait because I needed an eye cream, and that is just perfect timing as well. And then the big ticket item in this FabFitFun box this year, or this season, was the Foxy Bay Rose Gold Blowout Dryer Brush, which I'm really looking forward to. I've never had like a fancy dryer brush like this before. So I'm gonna open this up and then show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, I just thought I'd turn you around because this is so big. Look how big this is. It is huge, which is perfect because I have really thick hair. And yeah, this looks really nice. I'm excited to try this out and to get a feel for it because I've never had like a a brush like this. I've always seen them. So this blow dries your hair at the same time it like straightens and combs through your hair. So this was like $10 extra. It was kind of like, it was like their first time doing this. It was their customization one option, and you had to pay like $10 extra to get this option because this thing is worth, I think it's like $160 or something crazy. I don't know if it's really worth that much, but I'm really looking forward to it. And I did pay that extra $10 because I've never had one like this, and it was just a good deal. So anyways, that is my FabFitFun box. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, the links are down below if you want to sign up for FabFitFun. You could try it out for just one season. You could just do a summer box and then cancel. It's really easy to cancel. Otherwise, you could do a whole year. It's like getting Christmas every single time that you get your box every season, and I love it. And plus you get to try out the really high-end products. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my little like day in the life random vlog. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And if you're not part of my YouTube family, I would love for you to hit that red subscribe button and join it, and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. And I will see you guys soon. Leave me a comment below and say hi, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.